Hello viewers and welcome to Learn with Your Brains, and today we are going to learn and write our first ever Python program on iPhone. And in our previous video we learned how to install Python on our iPhone device using an installing package called Canet. And you know, Canet behaves like Anaconda on Mac and Windows, where the Anaconda is a whole lot of distribution with a pre-installed Python 3 and R programming language in it, where you can also install a lot of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and a whole lot of stuff. So Canet here is behaving as like Anaconda in the Mac and Windows OS. So Canet also has a pre-installed Python 3, which we're going to use throughout this course. So without wasting my time, let's create our first ever Python program. So to create an environment for you to start writing your program, you could see there are two files here. Welcome, which is a folder, and on the left hand side we have create document. So all what I want you to do is to just click on the create document. You could see it's open a new environment for you to start writing your Python code. So this is our interface where you're going to write all our programs, and you could see a lot of different icons: the run, the stop button. If you are familiar with a media player, you know how to. We have the up and down arrows. We have some folder icons. And on the right hand side on top you have Python 3, which has not yet been connected, but when we start writing our program, I think it will start working. I think because of a little bit slow on the internet, so it's quite not functioning because we've not tried to enter any program yet. So when you click on the left hand, that's where the menu is. You could have a lot of drop down file. We have the file, the edit, the view, the insert, Excel, kernel, widget, a whole lot. So we'll be talking about throughout the course when we start coding in reality, you know. Well, let's collapse this. And to write your first ever Python program, and we all know this kind of, start writing print hello world. That's mostly every word any programmer who started using any programming language try to print out for the world to see, or even the users or people they are trying to teach to know that that is the first program you're going to write. So you just click here, and now where we are going to we clicked is Excel, and that is where we are going to write all our Python codes, so that it will be executed for us to see. So writing our first program, I want you to follow. You just write print, print. Now you could see it has changed from its color black to green, which means print is an inbuilt function in Python. And you know, we have some pre-built functions like print, input, and a whole lot of stuff. So as you go through the course, you will come across all those functions being built, and some functions we will try to implement ourselves. So we just click print, then open parenthesis, then quote, then we just print hello world with exclamation. Then what you need to do is you see on the top there are a lot of small icons there. Just click on the run, the run icon, and you click on it. It should print out our final results on the screen. So boom, we have our hello world printed. So this is our first ever Python program we've written on iOS in this Python for beginners on iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you some basic syntax in Python which we need to know before we start coding. I know we'll be going to talk about quotations in Python, comments in Python, and lines and indentations in Python. So you need to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, and let's all learn together. So if you like this video, just give it a like and comment below. And let me see what you wrote on your phone or the codes. You can just copy and paste it there for me to see. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care and stay safe. Goodbye.